I thought that Hanetsuki Gyoza were centuries old, but it turns out that their original creator is still alive and cooking here in Ota. So today I'm here with Marc from No Recipes, and we're gonna find out how they're made so that we can make them ourselves.
Yep, Hanetsuki Gyoza are basically pan-fried gyoza, but they've got these beautiful crispy wings on the outside that make them super good. So, shall we go check them out?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
And we should probably tell you where we're going. Well, right now we're in Ota in Tokyo, which is the birthplace of the first branch of Nihao, the restaurant where winged gyoza were first created. So, to give you a bit of background, gyoza are a type of dumpling. They originated in Chinese cuisine, but they're now very common all across Japan. And winged gyoza are just like the next level up from regular gyoza, where a batter is added at the end to create a crispy layer that connects them all together. If you've ever eaten something fried and wanted even more of that crispy outside, this is exactly that. Okay, so what do you think is the secret to their crispy wings?
Well, I think it's going to be in the temperature control and then also in the batter that they use to make the wings themselves. I think that's the trick.
Right, yeah, because one time I did try making them myself with potato starch. That didn't turn out so well.
Ah, okay. Well, shall we find out his secret?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The mastermind behind all of this is Yagi-san. He's 90 this year and opened his first branch of Nihao back in 1983. He moved from China to Japan just 4 years before that, and his first thought was to learn Japanese. So while learning Japanese, he would often treat his teachers to a type of dumpling he was used to making back in China. But these were a bit different, as they were boiled dumplings, not fried.
日本語学校の先生たちは、私の餃子が美味しいって日本語を教えてくれた吉本先生っていう方が、日本人は焼き餃子が大好きなの。だから水餃子美味しいけれども、焼き餃子今度食べたい。いろんな作り方研究したの。
So what exactly compelled Yagi-san to add this crispy layer in the first place?
で、羽は全然考えてなかった。中国に行った時に焼肉マンの店がある。専門の店。それはもう何回も食べに行って美味しかったから。偶然覚え出して、そういうふうに焼けば美味しくできるんじゃないかと思って、それでこの羽を上にかけて焼いた。生まれてから初めてこんな美味しい餃子食べたんだって。この餃子があったから店を出しなさいって言われて。
With the praise and support of those around him, Yagi-san set about opening his restaurant, and business was booming immediately. If you want to know more about his story, then I'll be putting a special article in my next monthly newsletter in the link below. But now, thanks to that hard work, Yagi-san has 16 branches throughout Tokyo, and the team makes all of the gyoza, minus the wings, right here in Ota before shipping them out to other branches to ensure that the flavor stays consistent in any of the Nihao Tokyo shops. But what Marc and I are most excited to learn about is the wings themselves, as we want to try and replicate them in another video at Marc's place. So we're following Yagi-san into the kitchen to find out his secrets.
焼く時ね、上にかける羽、これが作り方が2対、10ぐらい。例えば 2キロの小麦粉10キロ水で水を沸いてからパーッとかけて混ぜて作ります。小麦粉は少ないと羽ができない。小麦粉を多くと焦げても中身はまだ火通らない。だからこれが大事。水で作ると置いとくと小麦粉が下に上全部水が。だから小麦粉を入れるととろっとできるから、だから1日置いてもそのまま。
So Marc was right. Of course, the batter itself is very important. And it seems that Yagi-san's trick is to use boiling water to keep it all homogeneous. But what about the temperature control? Here, Yagi-san uses a hot plate, which retains temperature well, but in a home kitchen, it would be a bit different. So Yagi-san gave us some tips on cooking winged gyoza at home.
フライパンはパンが薄い。 ちょっと火が強くなると焦げちゃう。だから弱火でゆっくり焼いて、急がないでゆっくり焼いて、見ながら焼く。
So now it's my turn to give it a go. First, I line up all the gyoza, making sure that they are close but not touching. Then I pour the wing batter all over everything, with Yagi-san standing beside me, warning me not to put too much batter on as I am pouring it. Then we close the lid. Now all there is to do is taste them.
Now hold your breath because we're going to listen to the crunch.
So, I see you've cooked up a batch for us?
Yeah, probably not as good as Yagi-san, but...
No, it looks amazing. Look at those wings on there.
Yeah, I am super excited for this.
All right, shall we make some sauce?
Oh yeah, okay. So this is vinegar and soy sauce. So you do half and half exactly. But I think usually you're supposed to taste it without any sauce first.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Ooh, it's so crispy.
Yeah. Oh my god. There's so much.
It's so juicy. And the skin is like mochi texture. It's got that nice chew to it.
It does. I really love the umami flavors of it as well. You can really see the inside of it. You can see all of the pieces of the vegetable on the hand cut.
It's been hand cut, and the quality of that meat is fantastic.
It is so good.
Now I'm gonna try it with some of the sauce.
Yeah.
That is so good.
I'm so happy right now.
Oh, me too. I was starving. And when you bite into it, it just gushes those vegetable juices.
I know. I also like this bit on the wing itself where it's kind of really nicely cooked. So it kind of has its own, almost like a charcoal flavor.
Yeah, it gives it kind of a toasty, bready, toasty. I think it's the flour. You got some mired browning on there.
Do you think we can make these at home?
I think we can try.
So we still have a whole other plate of this gyoza to get through, so there's no need for you to watch us eat them all. So why don't you head over to Marc's channel to see if we can make them ourselves?
I hope we can.
See you there.
See you there.